If you have some photos or videos in your Google Photos library and you want to download and save them to your phone's gallery, this video will show you the new way to transfer photos and videos from Google Photos to your camera roll. The process is exactly the same on both iPhone and Android, so just follow along. The first thing I'm going to do is open the Google Photos app on my phone. Then find the photo or video you want to transfer. You can do this with a single photo, or you can select multiple files. Let's say you want to download 5, 6, or 7 of them and transfer them to your camera roll. First, long press on a photo to select it, then tap on the other files you want to download. It works the same for downloading a single photo or multiple ones. In previous versions of the app, there used to be a small toolbar at the bottom with a save option, but they've moved that now. Instead, tap on the share icon at the top of the screen. This will open the share sheet. Scroll down a little and look for the Save 5 Images or Save 6 Images option, depending on how many files you've selected. Tap that option to download them to your phone. The photos will now transfer from your Google Photos library to your camera roll on either iPhone or Android, depending on which phone you're using. I have many more Google Photos and other app tutorial videos on my channel, so make sure to check them out, and I'll see you in the next video.